R for Rabbit presents HotPot Smart, the 3-in-1 multifunctional smart bottle warmer. Designed for smart parents, this bottle warmer is the ultimate solution for feeding time convenience. Inside the box, you'll find the bottle warmer unit. It comes with an anti-scalding basket to ensure safe, burn-free handling and a cover with a flip-up lid. And a user manual, smart LED display with touch control. Easily switch between functions at a single touch. Perfect for Indian homes, comes with a safety cap and is compatible with all Indian plugs. It is travel-friendly, compact enough for on-the-go use. HotPot Smart is made up of BPA-free non-toxic and PP material, which makes it lightweight, heat and moisture resistant, durable, anti-leaching, and also tear and wear resistant. 3-in-1 multifunctionality, it can be used to warm milk, food and also to sterilize baby bottles and sippers. Mode 1, Milk Warmer, fill the heater with water, insert the basket, and place the milk bottle inside. Long press the power button to switch it on, press the M button and the warm milk icon will illuminate, indicating the default heat preservation temperature of 40 degrees Celsius with the option to adjust if needed. Once the temperature reaches the designated value, it will switch to the heat preservation mode, ensuring that your baby's milk is always at the perfect temperature. Mode 2. Food Warmer. Add water, place the basket inside, and put the food like potatoes inside. Plug in the device and press the power button. Press the M button to select the food warmer mode. The default heat preservation temperature is set at 70 degrees Celsius. Once the food reaches 70 degrees Celsius, the indicator will turn off. Here the steam boils the potato perfectly. Use it to warm your child's food effortlessly. Mode 3. Bottle Sterilizer. Add the appropriate amount of water to the heater. Then, place the basket inside the heater. Arrange the nipples or any other small parts inside the basket. Cover the top of the heater with the provided top cover. For bottles, place them upside down inside the basket. Connect the device to a power supply. Long press the power button to turn it on. Press the M button 3 times. This will activate the sterilize function, as indicated by the sterilize icon lighting up. The machine will automatically begin the sterilization process. Once the set disinfection time elapses, the machine will automatically shut down. Clean bottle means a happy, healthy baby. The built-in thermostat technology keeps milk and food warm at a consistent temperature. The auto-cut timer automatically shuts off when milk or food reaches the desired temperature. Designed for busy parents, the HotPot Smart is very easy to clean and maintain. Smart, safe, and super convenient, because your baby deserves the best.
R for Rabbit, the amazing baby company.